How to send audio messages on iPhone. So open your iMessage and click on a person who you want to send an audio message to. Now what we want to do is click on the text box and make sure that you can see these several icons. If you cannot see this, just tap around this web icon on the bottom left corner and these icons should appear in your screen. Now the audio option should be on the third place. If not, or if it changes in the future, just scroll here and you should be able to find this blue icon, which is the audio recording option. Now let's go and tap on that. If you want to record, just hold the red mic. As you can see, it's recording your audio, and once you release it, it will then be sent. Now, if you want to cancel recording in the middle of your recording, just slide your finger on the side of the red mic icon, and the audio will then be cancelled. So that is how to send audio messages on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.